Well, I'm back working on the Jeep, and I'm gonna put the steering assembly back in temporarily so that I can find out if my master cylinder will fit here. So that should fit right in here somehow. And after 2 trips to the hardware store for the right size bolts, I think I finally got it. So let's get that going. Of course, we'll have, when I actually put it in, we'll have lock washers and whatnot, but this is just to get it lined up. There we go. Now this will go on here. But I can't put this until I get the body put in. So we'll get the master cylinder. And the bolts for it. Banjo bolt down there. So that's where she sits. Get that put in. Temporarily as well. So, it should fit just like that. Dust cover go over. And then I can adjust the linkage to make it work. So we still have to figure out where the proportioning valve's going to go. Somewhere probably I'll stick it up on the firewall back here, and then I can run the brake lines to it from there. So there you go. And get these rest of these bolts put in. And that's that. So that's it for today. Have a good one. See you all later. And the reason I call this channel Misadventures with Sage is because it did take me 2 trips to the store to get the right bolts. So that's why it's a misadventure. Have a good one, y'all.